A huge achievement for myself and my YouTube channel happened this week, and that is I finally ticked over 10,000 subscribers to my YouTube channel. So first up, I want to say thank you for anyone who has watched any of my videos, and an even bigger thank you to the 10,000 people who decided to hit that button and actually subscribe to my channel. Now, in case anyone is wondering, do you actually get a plaque or a silver play button or a gold play button or anything like that? The answer is no, but you do get an email from YouTube and a funky little video that is playing right behind me where it congratulates you on reaching 10,000 subscribers. Now, other than thanking everyone for your support on my journey so far, in this video, I also wanted to include the three main things that I have been focusing on over the last 12 months that have helped me reach those 10,000 subscribers. So grab a pen and paper, grab a coffee as we go to some live screen action and I explain what those three critical factors are that have helped me so far on my YouTube journey. So here we are on my YouTube channel, and as always, if you aren't yet subscribed, don't forget to hit that button and tick the bell icon. That way you stay up to date with all of the video content, just like this one as well. So it's been a fantastic year, and here we go. Social proof, you can see here just below my name, 10,100 subscribers. So it's been an amazing journey, and this video is all about thanking everyone who's watched any of my videos and obviously the subscribers as well. But I also wanted to take a little bit of time and point out the three main factors, or three of the main factors that have contributed to my channel having a very good success this year in 2020. It was only about this time last year, December 2019, I think I had 986 subscribers. So over the last 12 months, things have done really well. And the number one factor on that is video uploading, or uploading videos on a regular basis. So if I scroll back through all of my videos, I need to go back 12 months, and I'm going to count up from that or count back from that, and we're going to decide and see how many videos. Well, I won't count back because I know exactly. 53 videos. So this one here, 500 YouTube channel growth. From that one, it was 12 months ago, 3 here, and then another 50 videos after that. So the number one factor that has determined my success and growth with my YouTube channel this year is been uploading and recording videos on a weekly basis. I'm probably averaging 1.25 videos a month. I think my best month I did around 6 or 7. I did have a few months where I only got 3, but averaging out, I'm averaging more than 1 video a week. And that is the biggest factor that will determine how successful I believe for most of us will have on our YouTube. So that's YouTube channel. So that's what I want everyone to be focusing on recording and editing and uploading videos on a regular basis, 1 a week. I really feel and really believe if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, setting aside the time, making an effort, making the commitment to be recording and uploading minimum 1 video a week, and that will put you on the right mindset. You'll start gaining momentum, magic starts to happen, subscribes happen, views start to happen, likes start to happen, and your YouTube channel grows. So that's the first factor that I wanted to explain with everyone and encourage you all to do as well. Which brings us on to the second factor that I believe has had a huge influence on my channel growth this year, and that is I've set up and optimized my whole YouTube channel for success. That's right. So when someone does land on one of my videos and they do click and start watching, that's fantastic. But sure enough, they're then going to start looking around most likely, and I want them to be impressed. I'm wanting them to be engaged with, what they see on my channel. And hopefully I leave people in no doubt what my channel is all about. And then from that, they do click that subscribe button to stay up to date. And I do that in quite a few different ways. I've got a customizable channel art image up the top that really promotes myself, my business and brand, and lets everyone know what I'm all about. I've got my clickable links over here on the other side if they then want to check me out on the other social media platforms. I've got a welcome video here, and once they are a subscriber, they then see a different video we call a featured video. So I've done both of those type of things. If someone then wants to click on the about section, they can read a little bit more about me and see social proof with my other social media platforms as well, which then brings me onto another part of setting up and optimizing your channel. All of my videos I've invested in getting customizable thumbnails done. It's almost just as important as uploading on a regular basis, and in some ways it's possibly more important, because none of our videos will get watched unless the thumbnail gets clicked, and the thumbnail won't get clicked unless we stop the scrolling. So you can see me scrolling through like that now. The thumbnail needs to be engaging. The thumbnail, the title needs to stop the scroll. People need to click it, and that's only after those steps that happen within a second or two will any of your videos get watched. So I've gone in and customized all of my YouTube thumbnails. I use an outsourcing service called Fiverr. So for $5, I think they're all pretty good. I'm always looking to see if I can improve them. Some of my videos, my best performing video this year is a video on Twitter. It's had over 140,000 views, but some of my other videos do bomb. And a lot of them do bomb, and they only get 500 views, or some of them even less. But the vast majority of them do okay. They're into the thousands, and some of them tens of thousands, 20,000s, and 50s and 100s. So that's a determining factor as well, is your thumbnails and your title and your description, those type of things. So that's number 2, setting up and optimizing everything on your YouTube channel for success. Which brings us to the third determining factor that has had a great influence on my channel growth this year, and that is sharing all of my YouTube videos across all of the other social media sites. That's right. So recording, editing, and uploading a video is not the end of the game. Now, for some of you, that's all you'll have to do. And some channels, they absolutely take off into the stratosphere. But for the vast majority of us, we now need to promote our videos and promote our channels. Now, I actually recorded a video earlier this year, and it's called Share Your YouTube Videos to Increase Views. So, and in this video, I discuss 10 places to share your videos to actually help increase the views. I had a customizable thumbnail. That particular video has had over 3,000 views, so it's going not too bad. So, but the places that I share my videos to, all of my videos, firstly, I go to LinkedIn. LinkedIn's an amazing platform. It contributes to amazing success on all of my YouTube or my channel growth. And part of that reason is every one of my YouTube videos, I share it across multiple places on my LinkedIn profile. Not only my LinkedIn profile, I also share it to my company page as well, or my business page on LinkedIn as well. And it's really simple, really quick and easy to do. This is one I only did a day or so ago. So one of my most recent video is all about Twitter and how to tweet or how to post on Twitter. And I produced that into a post, or I made that into a post here on LinkedIn, a beginner's guide to setting up and posting on Twitter. And the YouTube link is there. So I'm promoting, valuable content to my LinkedIn network. It provides value to them because it teaches them on the topic, but also that value comes back to me as well because it promotes my YouTube channel and things like that. So all of my YouTube videos, here is another one that I did, 10 great looking LinkedIn profiles. In this video, I reviewed 10 LinkedIn profiles that are really eye-catching, stop the scroll and stand out. Now, that's had over 2,000 views on my LinkedIn profile. How simple was that? So LinkedIn is the first of the social media sites that I share all of my videos to, which moves us on to then the second one, which is Twitter. So I do exactly the same on Twitter. Here we go. A simple step-by-step guide on how to tweet. So all of my YouTube videos, again, once they go live to my YouTube channel, what I do straight away, I start sharing them across my other social media sites. And that all then, brings people back to my YouTube channel. So someone here on Twitter might see one of my videos, great looking LinkedIn profiles. They then watch the video here. They might click a link that takes them back to my YouTube channel. They like what they see because I'm set up and optimized for success. And enough people start clicking the subscribe button as well. And also, now I do exactly the same here on my Facebook page, Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling. Here is that same video, my latest video. To watch, click the link below. So I do it in a few different ways. Sometimes I put the direct YouTube link in one of these social media sites. Others, I put the link in the description below, and that's done for a few different reasons. But the idea is I'm constantly sharing across other social media platforms. And here's a video that's on my Facebook page. In this video, I explore both Facebook and LinkedIn and which one you should be using to promote your business and brand. So there we go. I'm offering value always to my community, no matter where they're following, whether it be on my YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, whichever platform people are following me on, I'm providing good educational value. And the more you do that, the more people will find their way to your YouTube channel. And if we do that often enough, and we do that, with sincerity and integrity and for the right reasons, your YouTube channel will start to grow. And that's basically what's happened to me this year. This time last year, I think it was 986 subscribers. Over the last 12 months, my YouTube channel has done well, and that's what this video is all about: promoting and thanking everyone who's been a subscriber to my channel, but equally giving everyone some tips and information that they can sort of aspire to and take on board, on their YouTube channel journey as well.